What a girl, what a world, what a light. Oh, I married Joan. What a mind, love is blind, what a wife.
Joan Davis with Jim Backus in
I married Joan.
Good night, dear.
Just listen to that rain.
Yeah, it sure is coming down.
It's lucky I told you to have the roof looked at last week.
Yeah, it sure... Good night, dear.
What'd you say, Joan? Joan. Joan. Joni. Did you have the roof looked at last week? Now, Joni, I know you're not asleep. Did you or did you not have the roof looked at? All right.
No, Brad, don't tickle my feet.
All right. Did you or did you not have the roof looked at last week?
Well, I
see.
How do you know there's anything wrong with the roof in the first place?
Well, last week when I was up on the roof fixing a television aerial, I noticed some loose shingles. And since the papers predicted a lot of rain, I thought it'd be nice if our roof didn't leak.
Leak? Oh, Brad, don't be ridiculous. Our roof is as strong as the rock. Rock is crumbling.
Huh?
Think the rain will hurt the rhubarb? Do you want some more coffee, dear?
No, dear. No, thank you. I haven't got time. I have to get going.
Oh.
Now, remember, dear, I'll take care of having the roof fixed. I wouldn't want to trust you with that again. And you get the ceiling fixed and pay for it yourself.
Why me?
Well, because it's your fault the plaster got ruined.
Oh. Well, how much do you think it'll cost?
Oh, at least $20.
$20? Oh, but I had a date with Clara to get a permanent this morning, and I was going to use
that's too bad, dear.
With all this rain and dampness, my hair is hanging down like an old mop.
Oh, don't be silly, dear. You couldn't look like an old mop. Goodbye, lover.
So that's why I can't go with you to get a permanent, Clara. It's my fault, so I have to pay to get it fixed. $20. $20 to get that fixed? Why don't you do it yourself? Myself?
Yes. I think the women in our club should be more self-reliant. After all, what's that? Just a few little wet spots. All you need is $1 worth of plaster.
Yeah, then I could save the rest of the money for the permanent.
Right.
I'll do it, Clara. I'll pick up some plaster on my way back from the beauty parlor. Come on. First, remove wet spots, then apply plaster. get doing here. Remove the wet spots. This is... Get that over there. Oh, that was a cinch. Oh, fiddle faddle. What did I do wrong? Remove the wet...
Happens to me today, I'll really blow up. What are you doing?
Huh? Oh, it says, shake well before using, so I'm shaking.
Here you are. Let me do that. Yeah.
Well, I guess you better get back to court now.
Yes, dear, I guess I better. Well, my hands are a little sticky. I think I better wash up.
No, darling. You sit right here, dear. I'll get it for you.
You'll get what for me, the sink? No, Joni, I can wash my own hands.
Oh, Brad, did you see the letter from your mother, dear?
No.
Yes, it says that she is feeling fine, and she enjoyed our last letter, and she hopes that we enjoyed hers, and she had her teeth pulled. Well, you may as well read it yourself, dear.
She says she liked that present we sent her, Joan. You know...
Where is it?
Where's what?
Well, I dropped it. It rolled over here.
Well, maybe it rolled this way.
No, it has to roll this way, dear. Oh, here it is. Thank heavens I found it.
Yeah, that's good. By the way, what were we looking for?
My earring. You see, there it is on my ear now, dear.
Yeah. Well, dear, I'd better get back to court. You see, I have a case about... I forgot my wristwatch. Probably forgot it when I was washing up.
Take mine.
Your watch? Oh, Joni, don't be silly.
Well, it's bad luck to go back.
Bad luck? That's just one of those silly superstitions. I don't believe in them.
Am I seeing straight, dear?
Well, of course, dear.
Well, what about the ankle? Are they all right down there?
Yes, they're...
Are you sure? Are you sure you're not superstitious?
Of course, I'm not the least bit superstitious.
You don't mind if I test that, do you? Let's see you walk across the room with an open umbrella.
Oh, now, Joan.
I dare you.
All right. You see? I'm not the least bit superstitious.
I guess you are.
Oh, I tell you. There we are. Well, dear, I guess I'll see. Oh, my gosh, I forgot the keys to my car. Probably left them when I was washing up. Oh, no, dear. Here they are. How about that? Goodbye, lover.
Nerve medicine, huh? My, the ceiling looks fine. Just as good as new.
Oh, thank you, Mrs. Stevens. It was quite a job. I still can't figure out how that whole section of ceiling fell down. Must have been quite a rainstorm to soak that loose.
No, as a matter of fact, the whole thing was caused by one big drip.
Goodbye, Mrs. Stevens. I'll send the bill to the judge in the morning.
No, I'll take care of it myself. Do you have the bill with you?
Oh, yeah. There it is, right there.
Oh, fine. I'll bring the money in to you tomorrow morning.
All right, fine. I'll expect you. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Mrs. Johnson. Oh, $119.50.
Come on, Clara, you gotta help me look. Well, you've got to make it snappy. I've got a pie in the oven.
Yeah, but after all, it was your idea that I fixed the ceiling myself.
Certainly got a lot of junk in this attic.
Yeah.
Do you really think that you can find enough stuff to sell for $119.50?
Well, I hope so. I gotta pay that plaster before Brad finds out.
You got to find something pretty valuable.
Yeah, I know.
Joe, look, this coat. Furs are always valuable. I bet you can get something for this.
Oh, that's Brad's old raccoon coat from college. He'd never miss that.
Come here, try it on and see what it looks like. Whoa, that's dusty. Ooh.
Ooh, it's awfully dusty, but I guess it's still in good shape.
Why don't you brush it off?
That's a good idea. I'll brush it off and it'll be as good as new. I wonder what they're paying for bald raccoon coats this season.
Good heavens.
Gosh, I guess it was pretty old. Maybe I can sell it for a stove. Huh? No. Oh, maybe there's something in here.
Well, what's this?
Oh, that's from a costume of a high school play I was in. I wrote it and played the lead.
Well, this might be worth a few dollars.
Yeah, it might. I better try it on and see what shape this is in. A long time. Oh, I'll never forget this one. Pretty tricky, huh?
Make it yourself?
Oh, yeah. Get me. Girl B17. I'd like to be 17.
Well, that'll do for one thing. Now, let's see. What's that over there?
What's that over where?
Well, that big thing that's all covered up.
Where? What is that? Oh, it's the harp that my Aunt Martha gave me. I forgot all about it.
Oh, you're in luck, Joan.
I am?
Musical instruments like this don't drop in value. I bet that was worth plenty when it was new.
Yeah. Well, let's get it out of here right away and take it down to the music store. Come on, Clara. Yeah. Get behind there and push, dear.
Are you kidding? I can't get in here.
Okay, we'll trade places. Okay. Too many potatoes, Clara.
Well, can we get it out this way?
Huh? No, the door's over there. There must be an easier way to play this. I think we better get rid of this stuff.
Yeah.
Get this over here. I'll pull this over this way.
Let's take this truck.
Yeah, that's fine. Now we get over here. Boy, is it heavy. Get around over there, Clara. You can just pull it around over this.
Well,
wait a minute.
That's it. I'm coming.
Okay.
Now, wait.
Now, wait a minute.
Wait a minute, now, wait.
Yeah, Clara.
Joan, get back in here. You could be killed.
I couldn't be better prepared.
Joan, get back in here. Go back in. Joan. Oh. Now,
Clara, I'm stuck there.
oh.
Get the string. Open the strings for me, will you? That's it. Just pull them apart. Got it. Clara, don't ever play that tune again.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I feel like a hard-boiled egg in a slicer, Clara.
I can't unfasten these strings.
Clara, there's a key over there on the wall that'll loosen the strings. Will you get it for me, dear? For heaven's sakes, hurry! Clara? Clara?
Joan.
Where are you, Clara?
I don't know. It's dark in here.
In where? Where are you?
In some sort of a little closet. Very little.
Well, come on out and...
Joan, get me out of here.
Clara! What am I laughing at? I can't get out of here till she gets out of there. Don't worry, Clara. I'll get you out there. Oh.
Joan, I can't breathe. Joan! Joan, come here. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Help! Joan, hurry.
You're lucky I'm strangling. Now you wiggle over toward me, Clara. Maybe I can get you then.
Joan! Joan, I can't stand it. Joan!
Just a minute, Clara. Oh. Don't get excited, Clara. Well, I'll have you out in a minute, Clara, but walk way down low.
What are you going to do?
Never mind.
Joan, do something.
Joe! Clara, get the key and get me out of this thing, will you? I'll be right down, dear. Up here. Listen them up, Phyllis.
Joan, the ceiling looks great now.
Got it.
And if you had taken care of the ceiling properly, it would have cost about $20.
Yes, dear.
Instead, it costs $119.50 twice.
I know, dear, and I feel just awful. If I had taken care of the roof in the first place, none of this rain would have come through.
That's right.
Well, I'm certainly glad that you finally took care of it, dear.
Oh, took care of... Oh, the roof. Took care of the roof. Yeah. Good night, lover.
Good night, dear. Hey, Judge, you think the rain will hurt the rhubarb?
What a girl, what a world.